Hi, I'm Anna from the Sewing Studio.
And I'm Jane from Janome. And today we're going to do a quick overview of the Sewist series of machines. So we've got 3 machines in this series. We've got the 725S, the 740 DC and the 780 DC. So the 725S is a mechanical machine. It's got 25 stitches. It's a 5mm wide stitch. We've also got some similarities across the range on these. So that's the 725S. The 740, we've got 40 stitches on it. We've still got, it goes up now to a 7mm stitch width.
Okay, so 5, 7.
We've also got speed control, needle up, down, lock stitch, and the digital screen to work with. And the 780 is the top of the range. So we've got the same features as on the others, but we've added on the automatic cut is a big feature, and we've got 80 stitches as opposed to 40. Okay. And little cards pop out the side of these machines, so you've got your stitches on there. All 3 machines come with top foot pressure control and also hard cases, which is a really nice feature on machines.
Yeah. So that's just a quick overview of the Sewist series. We hope it helps. Thank you, Jane.
You're very welcome.
And we'll see you again soon.